Hello, everyone. As we all know that today it is June 16th, whereby everyone is enjoying their time with their families and stuff. But today I wanted to make a video whereby we're gonna be talking about the market structure, the importance of market structure, the hidden secrets about the market structure. So I'd like you guys to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button, and your comment will also be appreciated as I will know which videos must I upload and which videos I mustn't upload. So without any further waste of time, uh, we're gonna be doing GBP USD. So on GBP USD, we are on a down, like we are on a daily time frame. We know the reason why we analyze from higher time frame down to smaller time frame. It is to understand or like to know the overall order flow of of the market, right? So in this case, we can see that on a daily time frame, the market is what is bullish. Why? Because we can see that we broke what the structure. So to talk about like few things about the market structure. Sorry, I want us to look at the market structure. It's okay. So we know we have two types of trend. According to me, we have two types of trend. Then there are people who say there are three types of trend. So to me, I'm having an up trend, right? Whereby according to smart money, we say it is a bullish order flow. So why do we say that this is an uptrend? So the reason why we say this is an uptrend, it is because the price is breaking our highs. It is because the price is breaking our highs. It is breaking our highs, but the price is respecting our lows. As we can see, the price is respecting our lows. So what does that mean? It simply means within the market, or the market is driven by supply and demand. So I think that chapter or that concept we're gonna like be discussing more about it on the next video. So the psychology behind or the methodology behind supply and demand is that like they control the market. The market within the market there is a competition between supply and demand, whereby the supply pushes the price lower, but demand keeps price what higher, pushes the price what higher. So in this case, we can see that the fact that the price has been respecting our highs, our lows, I mean to say, but disrespecting our highs, it is an indication that we are on an uptrend. Reason being because the price it is forming a high that is higher than the previous high, and here the price formed a high that is higher than what the previous high. So these are what our lows. This low it is higher than the previous low, and this low it is higher than what the previous low, which makes this our uptrend. So should the price, since we now know that during an uptrend or in an uptrend momentum, the price respects our lows, but the price breaks our highs. We know that we can conclude by saying in an uptrend, we have strong lows, or our lows are considered to be strong, whereas our highs are considered to be what? To be weak. Why? Because every time in a bullish trend, the market breaks what? Our high. So we can say, since we know that these highs are gonna be broken, we can say that it is what considered to be what? To be weak. The reason why we say these highs are weak, it is because if we can like look closer within the market, we can see that this high tried to break this low, but it didn't manage to break with this low, which indicates to us that the demand, it is still in control of the market. So the demand pushed price what? Higher. So the fact that this low managed to break this high, it makes this low what? Strong. I hope like we understand that concept. So we now know, should the price break our low, it is an indication that we are possibly going in a bearish trend. Why? Because we said in a bullish momentum, the price must respect the lows. So one should, or one can ask him or herself that, what's going to happen if the price breaks low? Already, if the price breaks low, it indicates to us this high, it is strong. Why? Because it managed to what? It achieved to what? To break this low. So I already know that, oh, there are possibilities that this high is most likely to be strong. Meaning, I'm gonna expect the price to come back to form a high that is lower than the previous low, the previous high, and possibly continue with a downtrend. Since we got an indication that the price is most likely to push way in a downtrend. So now we can say, okay, this is our strong high. So we can see our trend has changed right now. Why? Because the price breaks the lows and respect the high. As you can see, we are having a break of structures. So the fact that the price broke this low, we call this a change of character, meaning the market, it is trying to give us an indication that the trend is most likely to change since we broke this low, meaning we now have a low that is lower than the previous low, and those are the characteristics of a downtrend. So we already know that within a downtrend, the price respects the highs but violates our lows. So I was gonna expect that the price was gonna respect the high and push to the downside to break the lows, whereby we know the price will always, or most of the time, the price comes at the discount, at the premium price of each and every range that it forms within the market. So within this range, the price has to come like at least above the 50%, which is the premium pricing of this range, whereby we know we sell at premium, we buy at what? A discount. So the price will like form our next high and push, you know, in the direction of order flow. So I think this makes sense. So the fact that we are now in a bearish trend, why? Because the price is respecting the highs but breaking our lows. It simply indicates to us, or give us an indication that the supply, it is now in control of the market. Why? Because every time when the demand try to push price higher, the supply comes in and overpowers what our demand, whereby we can see this low, it is considered to be weak. Why? Because it did not achieve to break this high. So we know, with that being said, since we know that it's a weak low and this high it is strong, why? Because it achieved to break this low. So we can say that if we are looking to sell, we're gonna like sell at the premium price of this range. The first thing. The second thing, we're gonna sell from the premium price up until the discount, of which we can say our first target it is what, our weak low. Since we know Ugote, since we know that the characteristics of a downtrend is the price breaks our low. So I think each and every one of us now has an idea of what is happening with regards to the market structures. So I hope everyone is good. So the next video, I will be putting everything that we've just discussed on the live market, so that like each and every one of us can get to see how we apply the knowledge that we've just shared with the community on what, on the live market. So I hope everyone is good. Please lapse and subscribe, as there will be the next video whereby we will be applying each and every knowledge that we have just shared in this video. I hope you all learn something about the market structure. So I thank you for watching my video. I'm signing out.